right, one more.
These kids is wild. We're gonna have them on Dustin's car, freaking changing the battery, stripping out his lug nuts.
Oh, wow.
The games have begun.
Everybody sit down and shut up!
So we're out here at the BMF Ranch, and this week is the BMF Kids Camp, man. And so it's an opportunity for us to bring a bunch of kids in, teach them discipline, teach them life skills, teach them how to defend themselves, teach them how to ride and drive on the Can-Ams.
There you go! My man!
Full of festivities, 4 teams, lots of competition. So who better to mentor kids than bigger kids?
I was honestly shocked whenever Cowboy asked the guys from S3 to come be kids camp counselors. He's ran around with us.
It's going to be between our teams because we both have the strongest mullets.
By default, it's just mullet versus mullet. Yeah. You know what I mean? And he wants us to be good examples for these kids. I was like, I cannot even believe he's asking us to do this.
So the rules of the game are, team that has the frisbee is going to start. You start at goal line. Guys, it's fast pace.
There you go. Look downfield, look downfield.
You know, I know it's a big deal to come out here and do something like this for a lot of kids, and they're so impressionable right now, and they're looking for, you know, someone to look up to or someone to be a good example for them.
Grab it, Blue.
So, you know, we're going to get like boaters licenses, how to change a tire, all that stuff, so I'm excited for that. And especially the training, you know.
That was not easy. They were like track stars out there. Running, I couldn't keep up with them.
We've been playing a lot of team sports, so you guys working together today was just seeing how y'all group up as a team and work together. You guys need to communicate, work together, work as a team.
I hope that we can offer something valuable to these kids. There's a lot of pressure that comes along with that, but it's exciting at the same time.
It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna do dinner, then we're gonna do the campfire tonight.
Hurt, and I had fun. I had fun today. Yeah.
Tomorrow's going to be even better.
Tomorrow's the real challenge is starting, and the real where we start, where we're gonna see who's on top.
And it's a very small group of kids that Cowboy selected. He hand-selected a few kids that he wanted to have a special experience.
Learn the wrestling, learn the jiu-jitsu, learn how to drive our cars. You guys put your hearts into everything that you do, so.
It's a life lesson for us just as much as it is for these kids.
All right, now it's time for us to learn about you guys. So now you gotta stand up like we just did and talk. It's gonna be hard, it's gonna be tough, doesn't have to be long.
So I'm Noah. When I was very young, as a baby, my dad left me. It's just been a really hard time for me.
And so I'm expecting to give these kids a time of their lives, you know, a week of our undevoted attention, of our undevoted time.
All right, I know that was tough for you guys to get speak in front of everybody. Tomorrow, we're gonna get up, work the ranch, clean up, teach you guys how to feed animals, take care of water, do a lot of chores around the ranch.
It's for us to give back a little bit. It's an opportunity for S3 and our group of guys to give a little back, you know?
Oh man, just got the boys up early, had to feed the horses, had to clean up around here a little bit. And so they're gonna take care of the ranch, they're gonna help around here. Now we're just relaxing a minute before breakfast and then straight to training.
We're about to get in here and start getting these geese lined up with a little bit of wrestling this morning.
First thing we're gonna learn today is gonna be a double leg takedown. Ready, go! Nice.
Take a little bit of what I say, take a little bit of what he says, create your own style. And when it comes time to play, or it gets time to work, you're gonna have to pick work. Because the other kid that wants to be a world champion, he's gonna pick work every single time.
Here we go, get set. Ready!
We're seeing what these kids got, seeing what they're made of. Some of them are studs.
Nice. Great practice today, guys. Go shower and get ready for lunch.
A lot of fun, very tiring, good workout.
It's been a fun day so far. After lunch, we're doing a pickle challenge, so get to teach these kids some valuable life lessons that hopefully stays with them for forever. So.
This is to teach you guys actual life skills if your mom gets broke down on the side of the road. And we're gonna do it just like me and Mr. Donald change our tires in the middle of the race.
So we just finished teaching the kids how to change a tire, jump a vehicle if it's dead, and now it's time to use those skills and apply them. We're gonna have a race.
Are you ready? Let's go!
There you go, spin them all the way out, you're good. Spin them now.
Give me such anxiety watching this. I'm like, let me help, let me do that.
Good communication. Keep working. Keep working.
Done! 2 penalties, total time 9:53. Black team took it.
Green team, are you ready? Yeah. Let's go.
Get him.
Get him started. Deegan. There you go. Keep pressure on the tire, Deegan.
Come down. Go to the back. Go to the back. All the way up to the
Right there.
okay?
In their hole. So everything goes in.
Are you locked? Done!
Super proud of my team. They listened the whole time, waited for questions at the end of all the instruction. Everybody was on point. So I'm super pumped.
They did the pit crew challenge. They learned how to change a tire, learned how to jump a car off, do those things, and now we just get to have fun. So Can-Am was kind enough to send us a couple of cars. Quinn brought his, Dustin brought his.
I want to make sure that locks through there like that.
The winter teams, they're going down to play on the track. My main objective for this trip is to take these kids for a ride to experience something they never would have otherwise got to experience. You know, their first ride, get to really enjoy it in a Can-Am, and then they get to ride with us. It's our opportunity to give a kid a life experience that they wouldn't normally get.
Dude, I had no idea what we were in for. I had no idea that we were gonna put 200 miles on all the bikes.
Man, they just can't get enough. They can ride all day, I can ride all day. Look at this. Just having fun.
Today was a success. The rest of the week is a lot of competition, so these kids are gearing up. Life-changing events. I'm so excited about it.
Me or DJ, who's better? Honest opinion. I don't know. We put him on the spot. Woo! Well, we pushed back wake up time an hour. They're about to train till lunch. Keep moving. Keep moving.
You guys gonna learn some like good self-defense today. That can be very valuable to you.
And while they're training, we're gonna set up shooting course, water stations, and figure out all the logistics on that.
Far left is 20 points. The little sliver is 30.
Do we have a gun so I can just kind of...
Bro, I haven't hit it yet. If a kid hits this, you might as well just go home. You win. Hit
There you go. Woo! You can handle it.
We spent a whole afternoon teaching them gun safety. Now it's their opportunity to practice that safety, but it's also a shooting competition.
Hit. Hold that rod. Get your ears on. Hit.
Our team's doing really good, feeling really confident about it. Everybody's shooting really well.
Consistent.
Hit.
I wouldn't feel comfortable shooting some of these and hitting them, but these kids are dropping.
Oh! Z-Man! Put it on to close it out right there. Good job, dude.
What happened today? What'd y'all do?
We lost at shooting, that's what we did. Yeah, we lost. First serve.
All right, everybody. I hope everybody had fun and enjoyed it and loved it as much shooting as all your counselors love to do. These boys went from not even knowing what a trigger was to slapping high scores. So for you guys to all do that is really cool. You should be very proud of yourselves.
Just as important for me, I want to take away something from this. I want to take away, you know, a life lesson of how impactful we can be to somebody that you think it would be insignificant to. I'm just trying to referee over here and took one to the chest. Boy dog down. So like these kids, we don't know them for Adam. They don't know us besides just seeing us race professionally. It is our opportunity to take away how important it is to be a good example for kids.
All right, kids, come on, load up. Pick it up. Everybody sit down and shut up.
No! I'm just kidding, do whatever y'all want.
How are we leaving like 3 kids behind?
You know, I noticed they're watching what we're doing and they're repeating what we're saying. So they're picking up our slang, our jokes, everything. So it's an opportunity for us to reset and recognize that there's eyes on us. There's people that watch us and follow us. And, you know, it's another opportunity for us to be a good example for people. So it's a life lesson for us just as much as it is for these kids.
It was a nice day. We had a blast. Now it's time to go eat some dinner. And tomorrow is the big challenge for all these boys.
All right, baby, last day, final challenge. We're fixing to break it down for everybody. Pick our kids and then start running. It's all against time and they can't stop until it's completed.
Some shooting, some basketball, some archery, driving, and axe throwing.
You absolutely can win it today. Every team here can win it.
Go.
I don't know. That's a really hard question that people have been asking, and I never come up with an answer. We did a lot of fun things this week.
Brother set the tempo for me. Gotta make all 3 shots now.
And I think they were all pretty equally fun.
Run! Run!
Oh yeah, I learned a lot of new stuff. Shooting bows was fun. I hadn't done that a lot before.
Oh, that's it! Show the tag, Jake! Run!
I learned how to change a tire. I mean, I've seen my dad do it before, but I never really knew how to do it by myself.
There you go. See, grab those windows, grab those.
Now I do.
Good, go.
Out
this way. I've never driven a side-by-side before.
Helmet first, get it strapped up. Remember how to do it.
Seatbelt first. Seatbelt first.
Fast.
Dog, our guys did so freaking good, and they all really shine. They all pulled their weight.
Awesome.
Good. We gotta learn how to shoot guns. We gotta learn how to do bows. We learn how to wrestle, do jiu-jitsu.
I should be any one of you when you leave here, you'll be able to turn, hold your knee and kick.
My favorite thing was definitely getting to train with Cowboy, for sure. I love to train, and that was one of the things I was definitely looking forward to, was getting to train with him and learn from him.
Glad you guys worked great as a team. Everywhere we had adversity, you guys worked through it. So with that being said, green team with 32 points takes the belt.
Good job, boys!
This was definitely a once-in-a-lifetime experience with these guys. I'm gonna be very sad to leave tomorrow.
We're all freaking coordinated. Got the sick jerseys on. We all got on bad to the bone guns.
It's been a great week, so everybody who made it possible, I want to give a huge shout out to them.
My favorite thing we did was the all-around team challenge, because I love the way after the fact everyone said I could have done this, I could have done that. So we got to really learn how to do teamwork and how to express our emotions toward each other.
Oh man, we're strapping down, doing laundry, packing up. I had a lot of fun. It's cool meeting all the kids and doing the kids camp and see all them fired up and stuff, and so it was fulfilling for us. So.
What a blessing to be a part of this. What a blessing to work with these kids, man. Be a part of helping them learn some life skills and encouraging these kids. And it's some of their stories are just amazing.
All right, guys, camp is over. Good job. Cool to see how you guys start to where you finish. So we're gonna go around and talk again like we did when we first got here. Maybe you guys will open up a little bit more.
The past 7 days have been a blast. I've enjoyed every moment of it.
My favorite part of the camp was meeting all the people here. You guys are all awesome people.
It's cool to go through and pick all the kids and have them show up here on the first day and then watch them transform and regrow and grow into men.
It's been a whole lot of fun, and this whole camp I was pushing my limits. Thought, oh, I couldn't do this, but look, I did it! Thanks for letting me be out here, Cowboy. I guess it's time to get my shirt now.
Come get it.
There's a lot of fun things that came with this week, you know, but most importantly, become better as a team. That was the best part for me. So thank you, S3, for showing up, and I can't wait to do it again next year.
It is a blessing to be a part of something like this, man. Cowboy was kind enough to include us, and man, I venture to say we're going to do it for a few more years to come.
Who's your favorite counselor from the S3 crew so far?
Still deciding.
I'm about to wrestle with one of these kids that's way bigger than me. You want me to defend or no?
Yeah, of course.
All right.
Favorite S3 guy?
Yeah.
I like the dude over there with the long hair, the mullet.
Stay low on his hips. Stay low on his hips.
Oh!
That's exactly right.
So who's your favorite counselor so far?
Oh, there's only one easy option to this. My favorite counselor here is Cowboy.
Grab inside, backside of his leg, backside of his knee, D, on your left arm. There you go. There you go, D.
I'm out of breath now.
I told you, stay low on his hips.
I was doing that.
No, you were all the way up here climbing him.
I was doing that.
No, you were all the way right here.
Coach, you need to talk louder.
All right, I'm done. I think I'm done with that.